Good morning, students. Today we will start activity sheet 4, that is based on lesson 2.3 and 2.4. The name of the lesson you already know. 2.3 is The Man Who Killed My Dog, and the name of poem 2.4 is The Rescue. Now students, come to question number 1. Read these lines. First, I would like to start with the reading. Let's start. So tired and wet, and still it lies. I stroke its head, it opens its eyes. It wags its tail, so tired and wet. I call its name, for it's my pet. Now, this stanza is taken from poem 2.4, The Rescue. So, after reading this, we have to answer the given questions. Like first one, the question is, name the poem and the poet. The name of the poem is what? The Rescue. And students, do you remember the name of the poet? Yes, the name of the poet is Ian Serralier. Okay, now come to second question. Why does the dog lie still? Why does the dog lie still? The dog lies still because it is tired and wet. Now question number 3. Who strokes the dog's head? Who strokes the dog's head? The poet strokes the dog's head. Number 4. When does the dog open its eyes? When the poet strokes the dog's head, then the dog opens its eyes. Fifth one. Find the rhyming pairs of words in these lines. Now students, I want to show you the rhyming words. Here, first you can see lies and eyes. These are the pair of rhyming words. And second, wet and pet. So, these two are the rhyming pairs of words. Now, question number 6. How does the poet know the dog's name? The poet knows the dog's name because it was his own pet. Question number 7. Can you find a pair of opposites in these lines? The pair of opposite in these lines is, let's take out the stanza. Here you can see opposite words. Here, head. The opposite of head is tail. So this is the answer. The pair of opposite in these lines is head and tail. The opposite of head is tail. Now 8.1. Give the full form of its. The full form of its. Here students, its is written here. It means this is not any word. It means it is. Here apostrophe s, it means it is. Now come to next question. Here question number 2. Rewrite each sentence beginning with the given words. Question number 1. Some people drive very recklessly. Some people drive very recklessly. And the words, starting words are given over here, and we have to complete the sentence. So, how we will complete the sentence? Here already the words are given. Some people drive in a reckless manner. We have to complete the sentence. Half of the words are given and we have to complete the sentence. So how we have completed this? by adding a reckless manner. So the whole sentence become some people drive in a reckless manner. Likewise, the second one, we know nothing of your address. We know nothing of your address. And the sentence, we have to rewrite the sentence. So here already is given, it is given that we don't know. So how we will complete this? We don't know anything of your address. Whenever students we use not, with that not we use any. Means we have to use any one words like some or any. So we never use some. Instead of that some we use always any. So here we used what? Any. We don't know anything of your address. Now third one. What excellent reflexes you have got. You have got excellent reflexes. Completed sentence. You have got excellent reflexes. Fourth one. We know too much about you to believe it. We know so much. The answer will be we know so much about you that we cannot believe it. We know so much about you that we cannot believe it. Now come to fifth one. You saw the dog and stepped on your brakes. On seeing the dog, you stepped on your brakes. Okay, this is over. Sixth one. He decided to write him a letter through a newspaper. The sentence will become he decided to write a letter to him through a newspaper. Now question number 3. Rearrange the words to form meaningful sentences. Here you can see in a jumble form the words are given and we have to rearrange that words for making a sentence, that two meaningful sentences. So first sentence will become, is that dog yours or mine? Here you can see instead of full stop what it is given, question mark. So we have to make a question over here. So how we will make a question? We will start by is. Is that dog yours or mine? Question mark. Second one. A dog in the sea is crying. If we will rearrange the words given over here, we will make a sentence like a dog in the sea is crying. Now third one. Third will be a man is rowing a boat in the sea. What? A man is rowing a boat in the sea. Now, fourth one. The dog opens its eyes and wags its tail. The dog opens its eyes and wags its tail. Fifth one. The wind is blowing and the waves are growing. The sentence will become, the wind is blowing and the waves are growing. Now this is over. Third question. Now question number 4. We have to find the error over here. The question is like this. There is one mistake in each line of the passage given below. Underline the mistake and write it correctly on the given space. Blanks are given as usual in activity sheet 1, activity sheet 2 and activity sheet 3. In each and every activity sheet we have this question. So here also we have this. We have to find out the mistake over here. In each line there is a mistake and we have to find out the mistake and underline that mistake. And after underline, we have to write that word, that mistake word, that error word in the blank after correction of the word. So let's start. I hope for God that when. In this first line, the mistake is for. So instead of for, what we should use? So the sentence should be correct. I hope, in place of for, we have to use to. Now second line, you hit mine dog. Mine dog is what? Nothing. You hit my dog. So in the second line, the error is here. In first line for. Now come to third line. You had for a moments the same. Moments not, it will be moment. We will remove this S. Then the same sad feeling that us have, that we have known since. Known since. KNOWN. Known since. The same sick feeling that we has will not be there. It won't be there as we can't use we or has both together, because with we always use have. So here the mistake is has, here known. Now the rest two lines. In ours throat and down. In not ours. It our OURR. And down. A stomach even now. A stomach not. The stomach. Here the answer will be the stomach even now. Now students, come to question number 5. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of words in brackets. So first one, I don't dash a word of what you say. In the bracket, what it is given? Believe. Now we have to change that words that is given in the bracket and we have to write in the correct form of that word. So, I don't believe a word of what you say. Believe. 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 Second one, it never came in my imagination that he would cheat me. Imagination. Third, the temperature drops and the days shorten in November. Shorten, not short. Fourth one, after the accident, it was a horrible sight. It was a horrible sight. Fifth one, is that dog yours or mine? MINE, mine. Sixth one, luckily he was not hurt in the accident. Luckily he was not hurt in the accident. Seventh, the driver jumped on the accelerator and got out fast. Eighth, we have decided to sell our old car. Decision is given in the bracket, but answer will be decided. Now student, let's see question number 6. What is given here in question number 6? Say the words in each box. Draw a line to connect the words that have the same G sound. Here you can see the box is given over here and we have to pronounce that word. Now first see the rules, how we will identify hard G or soft G over here. First see the rule. When the letter G is followed by the vowels A, O or U, it has a hard sound. Here it is given the words that is followed by, when the letter G, here G is given, that is followed by A, O or U, it has a hard sound. When G is followed by E, I or Y, it usually has a soft sound. When G is followed by E, I or Y, here the example are given. These are the words, that is the example of hard sound. Okay. Now these are the words that is followed usually has a soft sound. These are the words that is followed by E, I or Y. It is usually has a soft sound. Like now I am pronouncing it. Like first three words are gain, got and gum. Gain, got, gum. It has a hard sound. Okay, and hard sound, how we will identify this? It is followed by the vowels A, O, U. It is means G is followed by the vowels A, O or U. It means it is producing a hard sound. Now second examples here, age, giant and gypsy. It is followed by E, I or Y, and it has what? Soft sound. Okay. Now students, see, box is given here. Now in that box you can see over here the numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the numbers, and you can see the different words are given over here. Now you have to identify the sounds that is producing a hard sound or soft sound, and we know the rules. What is the rule? That when G letter is followed by the vowels A, O or U, that is a hard sound, and if G is followed by E, I or Y, is usually has a soft sound. So let's identify those words over here. We have to pronounce those words like page. Page has what? A soft sound. Why? Because G is followed by E, and we know this G, if G letter is followed by E, I or Y, has a soft sound. So page over here producing soft sound. Game, H sound. Here guru, H if I'm saying, it means that is hard. And engine, soft. Okay. Here what? Figure, hard. G, large, soft G. Gold is what? Hard G. Giraffe it's soft G. Likewise here students, you have to identify that which words are producing a hard sound or soft sound. Now after this we have this question, write each word from above in the correct column. Now finding out the words from here in the box, with whatever the words are given, you have to write over here. The column is given over here. Okay. Now today's class is over students. You will get activity sheet 4 notes on Saturday, and half of the questions we will do on next video. Thank you.